In this video, I'll show you how to set up Cloudflare DNS on iPhone step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, tap the Wi-Fi option. Find the Wi-Fi network you are currently using. Now, tap the information icon next to the network. Scroll down until you find the Configure DNS option. Tap Configure DNS. Now, select the Manual option. You will see the current DNS servers. Remove the existing DNS entries. Now tap Add Server. Enter the Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1. You can also add the secondary Cloudflare DNS, 1.0.0.1. After that, tap Save. Now, your iPhone will be using Cloudflare DNS.